Hello and welcome to my garage. You joined me at an interesting time because I have just finished removing the engine from my 996 and I've dragged it off down to the house to be taken off to be rebuilt by Hartech. There's just a few more things I need to do today, which is build a box. I've got some wood. I'm going to build a little box around the engine on the pallet. That's my job today. But anyway, let's crack on. And that leaves us here with engine on a pallet. What I need to do is trim the pallet slightly thinner so it can fit through the gate over there, and then build a box around it just to protect it from any knocks that it might get. Let's crack on. So what I got, some loft panels. These should be plenty strong enough. They were quite cheap because this is really only a once or twice use situation. And they've got slotted ends, so I should be able to put two, one on top of each other to stand up. So build a box, the box on top. Yeah, I think that should work quite well. I need to cut it to size and start screwing in. So yeah, let's start. Okay, so first things first, I need to measure to make sure I know what size I'm cutting at. I can see a 74 centimeters, 90, which is plenty big enough for that. Oversize it at 50. So I'm going to cut the loft board on the picnic bench. I think I need a circular saw for this job. Let's go get that. Okay, that safety first. I can probably cut 4 at a time because I'm going to have 2 on either side and then another 2 on top of them. So what I will do is get another one and cut 4, all the same. Okay, these G-clamps should do the trick. Right, let's get it clamped up. Okay, let's get the cutter. Okay, noise alert. Alright, consider that the blade wouldn't be long enough, and I think it's on its longest set. I have to take the 2 top ones off. Consider that engine mechanical job would turn into a carpentry job, but needs must. Okay, that gives us the size we need. There you go. Now, I need to do 70 for the sides. Now, I think it's possible that these are, how wide are these? Oh, no. I wonder if I could make it narrower, 60. Because then I only have to cut these two in half. That would almost be fortuitous. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, it's cutting it fine. It is pretty much bang on 60. I'm going to take the risk. I'm going to take the risk and I'm going to cut them exactly in half. Yes. Okay. The mark. That's the exact. Double measure. Measure twice. 2 foot. Measure again. 2 foot. Cutting. Okay. Now, yes, I do have another pack. That was for extras. And also I need a top. I can't just have sides. Okay. Does that work here? It does. It's fine, but it does. Okay, so next trick. I need to cut this. I might have to do it by hand. What Okay, so my plan was always to use these little sort of 1 by 2 inch purlins, I think they're called. Basically it's the wood you use on your roof that you nail the roof tiles to. So my plan is to basically put this down on the pallet, screw these into them like that, and that'll give me the nice base. So that's the plan. That should work quite well. Oh, it's getting a bit dark now, so the video might not be great. Call it a night for now. It's gotten dark and I'm not quite finished, and it might not look like it on the camera, but it's actually quite dark. So I'm going to finish this tomorrow, and well, I'll see you then. Okay, it's the next day. Day collecting tomorrow, so I need to have it done in the next 2 hours. Right, let's get on. Okay, the highest point seems to be here, right at the top of the wedge the starter motor goes. So I'm going to try and mark the remove the top half, and then we'll have to put a top on as well. Yeah, that should work. Perfect. Yeah, that should work. Yeah, and there. And I just need to deck a lid on. That should be good. These as gussets on the inside, so they stay together as one box. Gussets. Let's put them, screw them in. Okay, here's my box, and it's movable. Let's put the lid on now. It should be quite easy. Ah, perfect. Okay, there you have it. My box, and it is removable. So I'll put it back on, and I'll get some screws in there to keep it in place, and then I think it'll be good. Okay, that's it. I'm done. Nice sturdy box. Should be good. I'm going to drag this out to the front of the house now and get it ready for collection by the couriers. And then hopefully in about 3 weeks, maybe a month, I'll get it back from Hartech and fit it back in the car. Now of course I'll video fitting it. I never videoed removing it, but I'll video fitting and putting it back together. As well as in the next few weeks I'll be doing some videos on the car. Now it's a lot easier to do some work while the engine's out, so I will do that. For example, I've got a reversing camera and I need to run the cables for the camera to the front, which I haven't done yet. But now the engine's out, I can actually push the wires through the main wiring harness, which you'd never reach with the engine in. So I'm going to do that, as well as a few other little odds and sods. And then hopefully, springtime, the car will be ready to roll, I hope. Anyway, if you like that, please like and subscribe, and follow my crazy build at home, on the patio, in the single garage. It's tough, but someone's got to do it.